Hey guys, welcome back. Some of you might know me because I'm from Denise TV and this is my daddy's channel. So today we're gonna be unboxing the Johnny Lightning Volkswagen Beetle something from the Happy Valentine's Day series. My dad already opened it, so let's open it. Wait, what? Okay. Remove the plastic. And then here we have this pink car. It's very light pink. I like how it looks. You can put it under this cover. Like for example, somebody made this car for their friend and then they're like, "Ta-da! Happy Valentine's Day! I like this car." Look, it's so realistic in the bottom. And then you can put two Lego people here. And then you can make them drive the car. Does this open? Does this roof open? Okay. So there's a heart here. See it? Okay. There's a bumper here and a bumper there. Why do we need bumpers? Okay. Bye-bye, guys.